Ladies and gentlemen, today we're getting down to business. What is up, you guys? My name is Ashley. I actually post new videos every single Wednesday and Sunday. You don't want to miss out, so make sure you hit that bell down below so you're notified for when I post. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because I would love for you guys' support. I know quarantine is still here, summer's approaching. A lot of you guys are actually starting channels, which is awesome, but there's millions and millions of channels, millions of videos on the YouTube platform, and I'm going to give you guys the right steps on how to start a channel and start growing an audience. My first tip: do not make a YouTube channel for a get-rich-quick scheme or just making a YouTube channel to start making money. I don't even make money on my videos because I'm not monetized yet, because I do not have 4,000 watch hours. So I make YouTube videos out of pure enjoyment. I love creating content. I've had 4 different YouTube channels. I've been making YouTube videos literally since middle school. I've had since my senior year of high school, but I didn't start getting really consistent with uploading until I got to college. So YouTube is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you are making a YouTube channel just to make money, people are gonna notice, because people notice who is passionate and who is not passionate about it, and you could 100% tell through the videos you're making. My second tip to start a YouTube channel, grow a channel: consistency is key, guys. When I started my channel, I gained 1,000 subscribers relatively quickly because I kept on posting, and then it took me a while to get from 1,000 to 2,000 because once I got to college, I was so focused on my social life. I think I posted like a video or 2 every month, every couple months, and I wasn't consistent with it. And then this past year, I didn't post as much as I wanted to because I was, especially first and second semester, I wasn't posting because I was like, oh, every time I upload, I'm losing subscribers. I'm losing subscribers every day. No one's subscribing to me. And during quarantine, I thought, okay, but you're uploading once a month. No one is going to subscribe. Personally, me, I'm not going to subscribe to a channel that posts once a month, so why would I expect the same thing in return? Consistency is key. Definitely at least upload once a week. Twice a week is amazing. And have set uploading days. On my channel banner, it says new videos every single Wednesday and Sunday. So my audience knows when I come to my channel and expect a video, and they know they're going to get new content twice a week. If you're literally uploading once a month like I did, you're not going to grow because people aren't going to want to subscribe to you and YouTube isn't going to recommend your content. And if you're posting once a week, twice a week, YouTube is going to recommend your content. People are going to find your channel and see that, oh, this girl uploaded 2 videos this week, I'm going to subscribe to her because she has a lot more content coming out. My third tip is find your niche and target audience and look at your competition. So my niche is actually my channel banner and my intro. I'll put my intro right here in a picture of my channel banner: fashion, college, lifestyle, vlogs. So people that find my channel know what kind of content I make and choose whether or not to subscribe to me. You have to find your niche, because if you're uploading a fashion video one day, a vlog the next day, a workout video, and then like a cooking video, and then a skip video, if people come and find your channel from a cooking video and then they see that the next day you're doing a fashion video, they're gonna be confused. I'm gonna give some examples of YouTubers that have really tied down on a niche and are doing really well. Catherine Manning, for example, she does informative videos, how to grow your YouTube channel, how to grow a business, and she's gained 100,000 subscribers in a really short period of time. Here's her analytics. Danielle Carolyn, another YouTuber that I admire, she does college content, lifestyle content. I know what kind of videos she's going to put out, so she has a really loyal fan base, and I admire her work ethic. She's amazing. You just have to find a niche, because people that find your channel from one video and then you put out a video that doesn't even relate to it, they're not gonna understand and they're not gonna want to subscribe. So like, again, in your header, put what kind of content your audience can expect. So again, I have fashion, college, lifestyle, vlogs. that's what I enjoy making, and that's what my audience can expect from me. And then also my channel banner, I have my upload days and my YouTube name. My fourth tip is thumbnails. I'm gonna give examples of my thumbnails. I used to use PicMonkey, and I had the free version. I didn't want to buy the full version, and it wouldn't let you PicMonkey wouldn't let you make thumbnails that were 1280 by 720. You would have to like screenshot it, and you can only do the 1280 by 720 size if you had the premium version. So every time I made a thumbnail, it would come out with like, it would come out so small, and then YouTube would fill it with black lines, so it didn't look aesthetically pleasing. So if you guys want a video on how I make and edit my thumbnails, I will do it. I use Fonto and Lightroom, and these are how my thumbnails look now, and these are how they used to look. So as you could see, same filter, same text, bright images, and my click-through rates have been super high for these videos. And if you're and I'm gonna go into next about the YouTube algorithm, but you want to make good thumbnails because then you'll get a higher click-through rate, and YouTube will recommend your content a lot more, and then you'll gain more traction to your channel, more traction, more subscribers, more views. You guys got it. Tip for like how to start a channel, how to grow a channel: equipment, setup, editing. My first camera was my iPhone. I started my channel, I think my first video was in 2015, and I did a back to school clothing haul, literally filmed it on my iPhone 5. And then I filmed on my phone for a little bit, and then I got this camera. I don't even think it turns on anymore. It was just like a small little point and shoot camera. I literally got it from PC Richard & Sons for like $60. It's this Samsung camera. Not the best quality, and I should have just stuck to my iPhone. And then after that, I invested in a Canon Rebel T3i. I absolutely love this camera, but the only thing that was hard for me is I didn't understand how to autofocus on it, so my videos will go in and out of focus, and it wasn't the best quality. But now I upgraded from my Canon T3i to my Canon G7X. The quality is amazing, and a lot of my audience is noticing the better quality because my Canon T3i was a little bit fuzzy. But I got this on eBay actually, I think for $200, and the retail price is like $400, maybe $500, depending on what T3i you get. So I would definitely recommend, if you're looking for a camera, definitely go on eBay first, because there's literally slightly used cameras on there. Like this was brand new in the box and someone listed it for $200, but there's slightly used cameras that literally have nothing wrong with it for half the retail price. So definitely recommend, if you're looking for a camera that's not your phone, go on eBay. But your phone does just as well. You could even edit on your phone. Literally there's an iMovie app, so you could film all the clips. Definitely film it this way and not this way, so you don't have black lines. But literally, like, you could film it, and then there's even an iMovie app, and then you can export it to YouTube through the iMovie app, so everything can be done on your phone. You don't even need a laptop. But then for editing, again, I still use iMovie. I'm going to invest in Final Cut Pro soon. I'm just so used to using iMovie, and I know how to edit well on it. My next tip on how to start a channel is intros. I have an intro. It's 4 seconds. It has like a little music, and then it says Beauty by Ashley, a little subscribe button, and then my niche, so what kind of videos I make, so people know what kind of videos to expect in my videos. Before I show my intro, I like to start off with something funny or a joke, because that has really helped my audience retention. I was kind of scared to show my personality at first, because I was always like, hey guys, what's up? And like, that's not how I talk. This is how I talk, and I'm like a funny person, so I want to show that. There's so many YouTubers that have used their personality to their advantage. Emma Chamberlain, for example, so funny. Sadie Crowell, Mia Salzer. Their videos, I'm sitting on my bed like laughing, and that's how they're getting an audience, because they're funny, and I feel like I'm pretty funny. So I like to start off my videos being funny, grabbing the audience's attention, doing my little 4-second intro, and then doing a call to action. So like, who am I, what kind of videos I make. If you guys want to support me, click down below. I would love for you guys to stick around. A lot of people, when they start videos, they're like, hey, what's up? Make sure you subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, comment, turn on post notifications. That is not a way to start a video, because especially when I click on a video, that's not the first thing I want to hear. I want to be pulled in, and if I'm clicking on a video and I don't even know who you are, or what kind of content you make, why would I subscribe to you if I haven't even watched the video yet, you know? So I kind of say I would love for you guys to support me because I love interacting with you guys. Even if you don't subscribe and you just comment, leave me a like, it makes me feel so good. Or even just watching the video. So you don't want to, if a new person or a potential subscriber is coming to your channel, you want to not say make sure you subscribe, just be like, I would love for you guys to support me, something like that, so it's not as harsh. I'm gonna talk about the YouTube algorithm, which I finally figured out, and we're gonna get to it. The YouTube algorithm, circa like 2013, 2014, when Bethany Moda was doing her saturated morning routines, YouTube was a more creative platform, but now I feel like everything is based on the YouTube algorithm. Because if you're a small YouTuber with 300, 400 subscribers and you're making a video but you're not optimizing your videos, you might think it's a great video, but then you get upset when people don't find it, but they're not going to find it because the YouTube algorithm isn't going to pick up on it. It's a website that you connect with your YouTube account. It's like YouTube authorized, so it won't hack your YouTube account, but it helps you with tags, optimization, and SEO, which is what the YouTube algorithm loves. So by doing this, you're using tags that score really high so you can rank in YouTube search. So I'll give an example. For one of the videos that I have up, which actually did really well for my subscriber count, I guess, was the video I posted that was spilling the tea assumptions about college. So we're gonna go to the analytics about that video. My views were 978, my watch hours were 75, which is good. My subscribers were plus 37. My audience retention was 4 minutes and 34 seconds, which is 33.5%, which is kind of average for, I guess, a 13-minute video. And then my reach was 3.6K impressions, and my click-through rate was 17.1. The YouTube algorithm loves click-through rate and audience retention. When you upload a video, YouTube only sends it to around 10%, and based on that click-through rate, if it's high or not, they will send it out to more people, and that's how you will get views. So if you have a low click-through rate, YouTube is going to be like, oh, okay, like, maybe that audience isn't really liking that video, so we're not going to send it out to more people. But if you have a high click-through rate, YouTube is going to pick up on that and be like, and push it out to more people. So the amount of, like, I have 3,600 impressions on my video, and my click-through rate is 17%. So YouTube sent it out to almost 4,000 people. The click-through rate is 17%, and since that's higher than the average, they're going to start sending it out to more people, and that's how you get views. Your audience retention is literally every single person that watches your videos, even if it's 13 minutes through 35 seconds, they take the average of all of that, and based on that, they'll be like, oh, okay, like 4 minutes for a 13-minute video, let's send it out to a few more people. So the YouTube algorithm loves that. I also, green, like this was my last video performance, my click-through rate was 9.1%, and it says, great job, people on YouTube are choosing to watch this video more often than usual. YouTube will pick up on this since it's higher than the average and start sending it out to more people because people are choosing to click on it. So if we go to details and we scroll down, this is what I mean by TubeBuddy. So they help you with the tag sections, and then they have their own SEO studio. So you can either go to relevance or you can go to score. So my video was about college assumptions. The first side that comes up is college advice, but you see it's red, so that has high competition. College vlog, red, high competition. But then you can go to score, and it'll bring up like a day in my life quarantine weekend. It's green, and it has a high click-through rate, so you want to put that tag. So I hope this video helped you guys to start a channel during quarantine or over the summertime, and if you're looking to grow your channel, I hope these tips helped you as well. Again, I've been on the platform for a few years now, and these tips are starting to finally help me. I showed you guys my analytics that I gained 146 subscribers in the past 30 days, so I feel like I'm finally starting to use these tools right. So again, if this video helped you, make sure you guys comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. I would love the support.